Hey there, Rasmus here, founder of True Raw. Just figured out something that is making this website, the order confirmation page, basically not track anything. Not your pixel, not the True ROAS pixel, not the Google pixel. It just shuts everything off because it's on Shopify's domain and it's the new account system. And you want them to be on your website here, but actually it's on Shopify's website. So like if you look in the console, like nothing's happening, because it's on Shopify's website. And let me show you how to fix it. Basically, in your Shopify dashboard here, you can go into settings right here, and here on customer accounts, you can either enable the legacy customer accounts, or you can use the new way and you can change the domain. And this is really important because basically you're bad at tracking all the most important visitors, the people who buy. So if you cannot track them, the algorithms cannot optimize and you cannot get more similar clients that are buying. So this is really important actually. Just a quick tip from a founder of an attribution company. So if you have any questions about attribution, feel free to shoot them in the comments. Otherwise, have a good one. And remember to like the video.